A very good morning, doctors. We are from Group 7 and our group members are Rita, Aisha, Nitis, and me, Tamsun Heng. So we are going to present our APEL UTHM system. So I will start with our login page first. I will continue logging as admin. Name's Rita. And then click login. So this is our dashboard of admin. And as you can see, there are 4 courses provided. Okay, so one of the difference between the instructor, student, and also the admin, which is the site administration provided in the admin sites. And then I will continue with the instructor part. Okay. Okay, so now I continue login as instructor. The username, password, login. Okay, so as you can see, there are no site administration on the left category. So this is the main difference between the instructor and also the admin. But other features of instructor almost same with the administrations. Again, then continue with students account. So the same step like before, and the username, password, and then click your login. Okay, yeah, the interface of the student almost same with the instructor, but different features provided. So we click one of the courses, APEL T4. In this page, we can see their participant, pages, competency, grade, general, and we fulfill the project requirement. We provide the notes in PDF, handbook, guidebook, and video tutorials. We provided 3. And what is APEL? APEL.A, process applying APEL.A, and also the form apply link, the extra, APEL evaluation form, and the assessment. Okay, and then I will pass to Sarita to explain more about the assessment.
Good morning, doctor. So now I will present for types of assessment. Okay. So for better view, let's log in as an admin again. Okay. So here are the courses. Then let's go to APEL T4. Okay, we can see. Admin also can attempt the quiz, but admin has another extra feature, which is to edit the quiz. Okay. So here's the list of questions along with the topics and additional information. And this is how the interface of editing a quiz, a question in the quiz will be appear. Okay. Same go to APEL T6. Also the same, 10 MCQ questions. You can see from this, 10 MCQ questions. And for, okay, let's have a look in how it actually appears for while attending the quiz. Here you can see. Okay. If they did not finish the attempt, they can still continue based on the last attempt. So here is how the quiz will look alike. Let's we try to answer all the questions. Here, and here. Okay. Whether to check that we have answered all of the questions, we can click on this or answer questions and then click on finish attempt. After that, for quick review, we can also view at the quiz navigation, gray color. That's all the questions are answered except for this one question, question 6, which has been not answered yet. We can decide whether to return to attempt or submit all and finish. Okay, so here, after clicking on the question 6, it will appear like this, and then finish attempt, and then submit all and finish. Okay, now we can see the grade and then feedback for a certain level of grade, and then the time taken by the user, which is student, to answer the question, particular quiz. Now, as to finish review, after we click on finish review. Okay. So here we can see the attempt that we have got before, and then the grade, review, and feedback. Let's move on to APEL T7. Okay, there's a slight change in APEL T7, as I mentioned before, which consists of 10 MCQ questions and 5 short answer questions. Page 1, you'll have all the 10 MCQ questions, and page 2, you'll have the short answer questions. So this is how it looks. And after finishing all the attempts, we'll view the answers. Example for this one. Okay, so that we finish attempt. Similar as well. Submit all and finish. Okay, here we can see the MCQ answer for MCQ questions and answer for short answer questions, where we have set a particular answer for the short answer questions. Student can review their marks. All right, so I think this is it on the assessment explanation. Now I would pass to Aisha on explaining the next parts.
Okay, I will be explaining for the type of users, which is administrator, instructor, guest, and student. Okay, next, I will show the example in the participants. Okay, this is the role, the enrollment users. There are 4 types of users. Assigns role for to enroll the users. Before enroll these users, we have to add manually for the new user here. Put in username, the password, first name, surname, email address, and then create user. After that, we can enroll the users and assign them as the role that we want. First, we choose the courses that we want the users to enroll, and then you go to participants, and then click on the enroll users button with the suggestions to select users and assign role as student, and then click on enroll user, and then the user will be there. And that's all from me. I will pass to Nitis.
Okay, good day everyone. So now I want to show how the system show the students record. So first, I want to do it for the students account. Okay, after go to the students account, we need to go to the course page to view the students record. Here you can go, you can see the grades for the students record, but since the student record is empty, so it didn't show here. So now we want to show the students performance. For this, we need to log in as the admin account and go to the any quizzes that you already do now. So for example, APEL T3. So here you can click the assessment link, and here you can view the record of the results lah. So as it shows the highest grade and overall feedback, and it also says the summary of your previous attempts. That's all from me. So now I want to pass the presentation to Sreta.
So now we go to the security implementation of our system, where here we can see the rules under site administrator and then site security settings. So here you can see that, okay, this is the part where we have set the password, starting from password length. Okay, we have set the password length with minimum 10 characters in it, where it contains at least 1 digit, at least 1 lowercase letter, at least 1 uppercase letter, and especially we have set at least 2 non-alphanumeric characters. And last but not least, there are no consecutive identical characters. So that we have also set check password to login feature, where it will enable, if this feature is enabled, the user password will be checked whether it follows the requirement or not. If yes, it will proceed to login, proceed to create the user. Or if not, the user have to create the password as per request, as per the rules we have set here. So this is the first security implementation. The second security implementation is on lockout part. Okay, so here we can see. Okay, what is like a lockout threshold? So account lockout threshold is the number of times a user can attempt when they insert a wrong username or password. So here we can see we've already set account lockout threshold as 3 times, where the user can try to log in if they inserted your wrong username and password until 3 times. After the 3rd time, there's a thing called account logout duration. Okay, account logout duration is also known as a freezing time, where in these 30 minutes, they can user can put any kind of username and password, whether it's a correct username or password or wrong username or password, but no actions will be taken by the system. But any kind of inputs that has been placed by user for the login at the login part will be inserted into the database of this system. So after this 30 minutes, what will happen is that our system will give the user one more chance for them to insert the correct username and password. If they didn't insert the correct username and password, they will be fully locked out until they get the permission from system admin to re-log in again. If they enter the correct password or username, they can successfully log in our system. That's all from us. Thank you.